Let's break down crypto exchanges and understand their crucial role in the digital economy. These platforms are the backbone of the crypto world, facilitating the buying, selling, and trading of digital assets. Think of them as online currency booths, familiar places where you exchange one form of currency for another. Except instead of swapping dollars for yen, which you might do when traveling abroad, you're trading for digital currencies like Bitcoin, the most well-known cryptocurrency, or Ethereum, another popular digital currency that powers a wide range of applications. It's a global digital marketplace, operating 24/7 across borders and time zones. The grand central station for crypto, a bustling hub of activity where digital assets are constantly changing hands. Like Amazon for digital assets, offering a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and tokens. You browse, see real-time prices that fluctuate based on market demand, and buy or sell with a click, executing trades instantly from your computer or mobile device. These platforms make complex digital money surprisingly simple, even for beginners. Before exchanges, buying crypto was risky and technical, requiring specialized knowledge and complex setups. Now anyone can join in safely and easily, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. Exchanges bridge the gap between traditional money and the crypto world, providing a seamless on-ramp to digital assets. They're the essential first step for anyone starting their crypto journey, offering a user-friendly and accessible entry point. Without them, getting into crypto would be nearly impossible for most people, requiring a level of technical skill and risk tolerance that few possess. They're the gatekeepers connecting old and new money, facilitating the flow of capital between the traditional financial system and the innovative world of cryptocurrencies. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? It's a question that's on a lot of people's minds these days, and for good reason. The world of digital currencies can seem complex and intimidating at first glance. In short, it's digital money, decentralized and not controlled by any single authority like a government or a central bank. This is a fundamental difference from traditional currencies. Think of it as a currency for the internet age, designed to operate without intermediaries. Instead of banks managing transactions, cryptocurrencies run on blockchain, a revolutionary technology that underpins most cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is essentially a public, unchangeable digital ledger. Every transaction is recorded in blocks that are linked together, creating a transparent and secure record. This transparency is a key feature of cryptocurrencies. This allows direct peer-to-peer transactions worldwide, eliminating geographical barriers and enabling faster, more efficient transfers. With crypto, there's no middleman needed, like a bank or payment processor, streamlining the process and potentially reducing fees. Bitcoin is the most famous cryptocurrency, the one that started it all and brought the concept of digital currency to the mainstream. But there are thousands, like Ethereum, Solana, and more, each with its own unique characteristics and purpose. The crypto landscape is vast and ever-evolving. Each coin or token represents a different project or idea, ranging from decentralized finance to gaming and art. Bitcoin acts like digital gold. Many see it as a store of value, a hedge against inflation, and a long-term investment. Ethereum is a platform for building apps and services, enabling developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, that run on the blockchain. When you step onto cryptocurrency exchanges, you're not just buying one coin, you're entering a dynamic marketplace with countless options. You're exploring a whole ecosystem of digital assets, each with its own potential and risks. It's like navigating a digital frontier. Each coin or token represents a different project or idea, a unique vision for the future of technology and finance. Their value changes based on demand, the underlying technology, and the overall market mood, making it a volatile but potentially rewarding space. You're not just buying a stock in a company, you're investing in a new paradigm. You're buying into a decentralized network, a distributed system that aims to empower individuals and disrupt traditional institutions. Understanding this is key before you dive in. Knowledge is your best defense in the world of crypto. Crypto exchanges are your toolkit for digital assets. You connect your bank or card, convert dollars to crypto, and buy with a few clicks. Selling is just as easy. Convert crypto back to cash and withdraw to your bank. You can also swap one crypto for another instantly, adjusting your portfolio without cashing out. Most exchanges double as digital wallets, holding your coins securely for easy access and trading. This all-in-one approach makes exchanges the central hub for most users. Buying, selling, swapping, and storing, it's all streamlined. Exchanges make moving between crypto and traditional money simple. That's why they're so essential. Ready to start your cryptocurrency journey? It might seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be navigating the digital economy in no time. Let's walk through the initial steps together, making your first crypto purchase a smooth and secure experience. First, pick a reputable exchange. Look for security. A well-established exchange will implement robust measures to protect your funds and personal information. Check for things like two-factor authentication and encryption, and ease of use. A user-friendly interface can make all the difference, especially when you're just starting out. Look for platforms with clear navigation and helpful resources. Sign up with your email and a strong password. Choose a password that's unique and difficult to guess, and consider using a password manager to keep it safe. Next comes identity verification, or KYC. It's a standard security measure. Upload your ID and some personal info to keep things secure and compliant with regulations. This helps prevent fraud and ensures a safer environment for everyone. Link your payment method. Bank account for big buys, offering higher transaction limits and often lower fees. Debit card for speed, providing instant access to funds for quick purchases. Once funded, head to the buy section, where you'll find a list of available cryptocurrencies. Pick your crypto, carefully considering your investment goals and risk tolerance. Enter the amount and confirm. Double-check all the details before finalizing the transaction. Your coins appear in your exchange wallet almost instantly, ready for you to hold or trade. The process is designed for beginners, with clear instructions and helpful prompts. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be guided through each step of the way. Research, verify, always do your due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency. Fund and buy, the core steps to owning your first digital asset. It's that simple, and you're on your way to exploring the world of crypto. Congratulations, you've just bought your first crypto. Welcome to the future of finance. Now you're officially part of the digital economy, joining a global community of innovators and investors. So, you clicked buy. What happens next? Behind the scenes, the exchange uses an order book, a live list of buy and sell offers. The exchange matches your order with someone selling at your price, like a digital auctioneer. The price you see is the latest match trade. More buyers push prices up, more sellers push them down. Once matched, your dollars become crypto, and the seller gets your cash, minus a small fee for the service. You're trading with other users, the exchange just makes it seamless and fast. Crypto is exciting, but safety comes first. Use a strong, unique password and always enable two-factor authentication. Watch out for phishing scams. Never click suspicious links or share your info. For long-term storage, consider moving your crypto to a personal wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Hardware wallets keep your assets offline and secure. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto prices can swing wildly. Start small, learn as you go, and don't rush in. Exchanges are your gateway, but your security is in your hands. Take these steps and you'll explore crypto with confidence. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the journey.